Hey there mga my loves, Aris! Thank you so much po sa patuloy at wala ninyong sawa na pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na to at sa mga new subscribers. Hi and hello! Yan, no, welcome po dito. My name is Yan at sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much dahil nandito pa rin kayo here with me. So yun nga, no, alamin natin yung mga remaining kaganapan or remaining possible events for you guys bago magsimula ang year 2024. So alamin natin no ano ba yung mga posible pa no na mangyari for you guys no bago mag-end ang year 2023. So, before we do that, reminders muna tayo na hindi lahat kayo ay makaka-resonate. Kaya naman piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be para sa'yo. At wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here. Just take how this resonates and of course, this is timeless as well. Pwedeng tapos na for others, pwedeng nangyayari sa kasalukuyan at pwedeng hindi pa. At isang prediction sa inyong hinaharap. Yes, natama kayo, no? Muntik ko na yun kantahin. So, let's go ahead and check out ano ba ang mga remaining kaganapan here for you, Aries. Angel guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being here, present in our reading. This is for Aries. What does Aries needs to know? Ano po yung mga remaining kaganapan for them bago po mag-start ang year 2024? Can you please show us? Mga kaganapan po for Aries before year 2024 starts or begins. Can you please show us? Nakita ko yung Shanghai, so baka kumain kayo niyan or iniisip niyo kung isasali niyo ba yan sa handaan which is hindi naman yan nawawala. Or iniisip ninyo lagyan ng twist yung Shanghai or baka ulam niyo yan kanina or last time. Just take out this resonates. This is for Aries. Okay, let's go ahead and check out what do we have here for you, Aries. Okay, so you have here the King of Swords energy. You've got right here the Queen of Cups. Ooh, whoa. The Ace of Coins. Wow. Alright. We do have here the Lovers. Wow, mukhang may hahabol pa rito, no? Mukhang meron pa rito magkaka-in relationship, no? Bago matapos yung year 2023, ha? Yun na nakikita ko rito, no? So, yung iba, pwedeng meron na kayong ka-in relationship. Nakikita ko rito. Ang bongga nyo dun. Ano? Chart. Ang ganda, guys. Okay? Possible trouble is what I'm picking up, okay, bago matapos ang year 2024. So, yung iba baka mag-Christmas kayo or holiday kayo, no, sa ibang place. Like, hindi sa usual kung saan kayo nagsiselebrate. Kunwari, every year you're celebrating the holidays inside your home, diba? But now, you're gonna spend your holidays, pwedeng ikaw to na uuwi ka sa inyong hometown or bibisita ka dito, no? Or magbabakasyon ka. Like, okay, something different. Yan, no? Yung iba, mga babes, no? Doon kayo mismo sa mga jowaers ninyo mag-holiday. Sa family nila. Yan, no? That's very specific. Okay, just take out this resonates. Okay. Okay. Naku, may umepal pa dito. Okay, mamaya na yan. No? Mamaya na yung umeps na yan. Dito muna tayo sa King of Swords energy and there's this Queen of Cups. Look at this, honey. Someone here is planning, strategizing. This could be someone here, no, doesn't have to be na may achievement siya or matalino siya or with high honors siya sa school. Pero nagpaplano to, no, mga babes, no, nang hindi mo namamalayan. Kung boyfriend or girlfriend mo, perfect match kayo, no, kasi this person is appearing here as the king, wala tayong gender dito, and you are appearing here as the queen of cups. So this person finds you really loving, very caring, very genuine, okay? And very suited, no, para sa isang future spouse here. So, this person, para sa iba, pwedeng ka in relationship mo na siya. So, if this is already your lovey-dovey, this person here, Aries, is planning. Okay? Planning something here. Yan, no? Pwede kasi yung mga babes, no? This person could be planning a dinner date. That's what I'm picking up for others of them. Nagpaplano siya rito. Sira na naman ang plano niya. Nagpaplano siya rito na lumbas kayo, maybe, no? Sa holiday season, dalhin niya kayo or baka ngayon, mga babes, no? Siya to na magli-leave siya, no? Para makapag-spend siya ng time here with you. Yeah, I'm hearing that song, no? Justin Bieber, no? Most holiday time of the year. Yan. Ang bilis kasi, hindi ko maano. Alam niyo na yun, under the mistletoe. Yan, no? You, darling. Yeah. So whatever the case may with this person here, may plano siya siguro this holiday season. Yan, no? If this is already your boyfriend or girlfriend, something here is planning, no? Date or bonding time with you. Okay, yung iba doesn't have to be na dinner date lang, pero yes, could be. Pero pwede rin mga babes, no, na maaaring mag-travel kayong dalawa. Okay? Maaaring dun sa favorite mong lugar at wala kang kaalam-alam, no? Ikaw to na wala ka naman talagang hinihingi sa kanya na kahit na anumang kapalit, no? Parang siya lang zapat na. Yan. Alam mo, para dun sa mga wala namang partner ngayong Christmas, akala nyo lang wala, pero magkakaroon na kayo. Yes, kasi nakakuha tayo dito ng energy that's with the lovers. Someone here with the King of Swords energy, Queen of Cups, no? Okay, singles, get ready. Okay? Because with the lovers right here, someone here is seeing you. Okay? Yan o. Tinan mo. Pakita ko lang sa inyo to na para mabasa nyo. Basahin nyo yung nasa libro. Ayan o. Love forever. Kita ba? Ayan o. Basa. Ayon sa talata una. Ayun o, love letter. So, whoever this individual is, makaka-receive kayo dito ng confession coming from someone here, no, na accepted niya ang lahat ng tingin mo hindi maganda sa sarili mo. Nakakarinig tayo dito ng parang meron kayong insecurities about yourself. Pwedeng hindi kayo open about that, pero meron kayong ganyan sa sarili ninyo. Parang meron kayong something in your body na parang ang taba-taba ko or parang ang laki ng braso ko, ang laki ng hita ko, ganyan. No? Parang meron kayong mga bagay dito na feeling mo hindi magandang tingnan no? Sa iba. Pero yung totoo, ikaw lang naman yun. Yan, no? Kaya tanggalin mo yan, babe, kasi someone here is actually loving you. Okay? Loving every bits of you. Yan, nakikita ko sa kanya rito. See? Ibig sabihin, this person here will love you. Kung ano yung mga tingin mong flaws at imperfections sa sarili mo, tanggap mo yan. At sa paningin niya, maganda yan. Yan, no? Kaya kung feeling mo chubby mo or feeling mo meron kang mga insecurity sa katawan, no, siya, accepted niya yan. And this person, alam mo yung mga tingin mo na parang weakness mo, mga babes, no? Para sa kanya is strength yun. Yan, no? Kasi, dyan kanya nagustuhan. Oo, ay grabe naman siya. Judgmental ba siya minsan? Hindi, ewan ko dito. Hindi, ibig niya lamang sabihin Aries, no? 'Di ba weakness mo 'yan, yung malaki kamo yung braso mo or hindi hindi pantay yung ano, kunyari hindi pantay yung balikat mo, feeling mo, yung mga ganyan. Or parang feeling mo laki ng hita mo, kaya ang feeling mo hindi ka matangkad, parang mga ganyan, mga insecurities ang ganyan. Pero sa kanya, cute siya, naku-cutean siya diyan. So, ibig sabihin, okay, this person here accepted that bago mo pa lang 'yan, okay? Bago mo pa lang 'yan, what's this? Bago mo pa lang yan mahitan. Ano ba Tagalog na mahitan? Hindi magustuhan, 'di ba? So, yun, no? And also, Aries, nakikita ko dito, no, that with the Queen of Cups energy and Seven of Coins, nakikita ko, no, na ikaw to na at the back of your thought, iniisip mo rito, no, kung paano ka pa rito makakapag-show makakapag-show or makakapag-provide sa family mo. Yan, na family nang kuha ko dito eh. Your family, your mom, your dad, your siblings, no, your circle kung paano mo pa mapoprovidean sila rito ng magandang life, yan, no? Kung paano mo ba rito mas mai-improve pa yung kanilang way of living. You're a very loving person indeed, no? That's why this person likes you a lot. And this Aries, no, nakikita ko rito, na yung tagumpay mo ay gusto mong ibahagi sa iyong pamilya. So, ikaw 'to na nagtatrabaho ka, working really hard, but not feeling exhausted and stressed ha. Nakikita kita rito 'no, na ang goal mo kasi is to give and to provide more with your family at ngayon mukhang may plano ka dito 'no. Parang either may iniisip kang pag-investan 'no, kung saan mag-go-grow yung money mo, pero at the back of your thoughts para pa rin yan sa family mo 'no, so that you can provide for them 'no. Kumbaga parang it's a good investment or if it's not investment, this is you thinking and planning paano mo pa ma-expand, no? It's all about expansion. Okay, how can I increase my money more or how can I have that um high yet steady flow of money, which is I do get na may success ka naman because you have their that champagne. So, ibig sabihin, you are good in life, you are good in finances, and if not, you are about to feel that. Yan, no? Ikaw to na okay ka, no, with your work, you're loving the nature here, especially, no, when it comes to your money and coins, and you want here na i-share ito with your loved ones. No? And I'm also picking up that maybe this is you if your family is, nagre-rent lang or hindi nila own yung bahay, no? You want to make patayo bahay here, no? Or bilhan sila dito ng lupa at magsimulang magpatayo ng house, no, na matatawag nilang kanila. No? Or matatawag niyo yung bahay niyo talaga. So, this is you thinking about your family here. Okay? At hindi mo alam na may surprise na pala sa'yo yung labi-dabi mo doon, no? Yung ka-in relationship mo, boyfriend, girlfriend, or asawa mo ni iba. Pwedeng may asawa na kayo, pero syempre, gusto mo pa rin na parang tulungan at mag-provide mo ng maayos na pamumuhay yung family mo. So, if this is you, yan. So, if wala ka pa namang partner, no, at ito ang way of thinking mo, someone here is now ready to spill the tea. Yan, no? A confession of love forever. Yan, no? Ayon sa talata 1, isa, apat, at tatlo. Yan, no? 1, 4, 3. This person loves you. Yes. And also, Aries, no, I'm seeing, no, na bago matapos itong year 2023 with the Ace of Coins energy in the Chariot, nakikita ko rito, no, na ikaw ay, kailan ba to? Iba sa inyo pwedeng single mom or single dad, but doesn't have to be. Pero look at this. Yan, nag-focus na. So, see, parang kang nasa arcade shop rito, no? And this is you, parang meron ka ritong nakuha, no, na something na sobrang ikatutuwa mo, no? So, parang ito na yung opportunity na hinihintay mo. Kasi, kung ano man to, opportunity na may kinalaman to sa pera. Yan, no? Kaya malaki yung tuwa mo kasi ito talaga yung pinaka-focus mo, no, na bago sana mag-end 2023, no, hindi naman yung magkaroon ng blast yung pera mo, no? Pero ikaw to na makakita ka ng hope dito sa matatagpuan mo na oportunidad, no, nasisimulan when it comes to money kasi you're looking for expansion or increase when it comes to your money flow. So nakikita ko na isang maganda itong investment or isang maganda itong isimulain, no, na itatry mo kasi ang laki ng ngiti mo dyan, no. So ibig sabihin parang, uy, ito na yun. You know, there is an opportunity that will show up related to whatever it is that you want to manifest in terms of finances and money. And this is you, you're gonna feel connected to whatever it is. Kaya ganyan kalaki yung ngiti mo. No? At tinan mo yung mukha mo, para kang may makeup ng clown dyan, no? So, ibig sabihin, whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you, okay? You are ready to play this game. Yan. Kaya arcade ang setup nito. Because you're ready to play this kasi nakagather ka na ng right information na ay hindi to scam or makapabuti pa yung pera ko here. Yan, no? Hindi lang to about investment ha. Pwede rin yan na business opportunity or partnership regarding money and finances. No? Parang ready na ako dito. Nakikita ko yung authenticity nito at nakikita ko yung outcome nito na magtutuloy-tuloy. Yung iba, mga babes na with the chariot card right here, nakikita ko rito na mabilis yung magiging, what's this? Mabilis yung magiging effect niyan. Makikita mo na nagkakaroon niya ng positive effect na nag-grow yung money mo or nagkakaroon ng mga signs and clues na nag-grow yung money mo. Wow! Okay? At sa kabilang banda, pag-usapan na natin to, the devil and there's this two of wands energy, no? Eight of Cups energy. Kung sino yung taong nang iwan sa'yo, no? At yung iba pwedeng literal na iniwanan niya kayo dyan sa isang restaurant, no? Tapos ikaw yung nagbayad. Whatever the case may be, but this person did ghosted you. At pwedeng ang dahilan is, okay, addictions, no? Pwedeng third party na tao talaga. Or pwedeng mga connections ng mga casual flings, no? So, kung sino man siya, hindi siya kontento rito. Ganun nakikita ko rito. Hindi siya kontento rito, no? Kaya nag-iisip siya rito kung padalhan ka ng isang matamis na mensahe with this two of wands energy. Pero kung mapapansin mo, no, yung two of wands na hindi niya pa yan sinisend sa'yo. So, nag-iisip pa siya rito. Di ba panira siya? Panira siya rito ng mga kaganapan for your December. So, definitely, this is the person here na nang-ghost sa'yo. Doesn't have to be na ex mo siya, pero pwedeng ganun. Pero pwede rin hindi nagkaroon ng relationship sa inyo kasi hindi niya maintindihan ang salitang relationship in a very deep level. Yeah. So, kung kilala mo siya, pagpatuloy mo lang, no, nalayuan siya kasi hindi siya good for your energy at of course, hindi siya mga babes, no, healthy choice, no, lalo na magsisimula na ang year 2024. Pero syempre, you have your free will, mga babes, no. Okay, so thank you so much, Aries. Sarang Hiyo Love and Light. Anya.